In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your literature review ethically using ChatGPT. If you're finding it challenging to manually sift through piles of academic journals and papers, then utilizing ChatGPT in your literature review process can streamline your research while maintaining ethical standards. Let's dive right into the steps to get started. First, head over to your preferred web browser and open it up. Once there, your next move is going to be directing yourself to Google. Simply type in Google in the search bar and hit enter. Once Google is up, you'll want to type in ChatGPT into the search bar. This is the widely popular AI developed by OpenAI that will help us automate parts of our literature review. Hit enter, and you'll be presented with a page filled with links about ChatGPT. Look for the official ChatGPT website and give it a click. This will bring you to the site where the magic happens. From here, you want to navigate to the text box, which is your interface for interacting with ChatGPT. This is where you'll type your first prompt. Start with a prompt based on the area of research you're conducting. For instance, a prompt like, "Current research on social media's impact on mental health explores algorithm effects, digital well-being, and understudied groups, with ongoing debates about causation and screen time, can shed light on various critical aspects of social media's influence." Make sure your prompts are clear and focused to get the best outputs. Now, after typing your prompt, it's time to submit it. There's a Submit button right beside the input area. Once clicked, this step will send your request to ChatGPT, which will then generate a response based on the information you've provided. The next step involves going back to the search bar and typing a new, refined prompt. This keeps the search process dynamic and comprehensive. For instance, you might want to dig deeper by asking for a framework that highlights consensus and debates on topics such as mindfulness and social media anxiety. This can include requests for Boolean search strings with key terms that will be useful for academic database searches. After refining your prompt, hit the Submit button again. ChatGPT will take this directive and work to provide you with a robust framework that can guide your literature review process further. This approach not only helps in organizing your research themes, but also saves a significant amount of time filtering through various sources manually. And there you have it, a streamlined, innovative way to automate your literature review process using ChatGPT, while ensuring that you're doing so in an ethical and effective manner. Whether you're a student, researcher, or academic professional, integrating these steps can significantly enhance the efficiency and breadth of your research endeavors. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find these steps helpful in your research pursuits.